but it really gets you into the mindset. It even has a whole section on mindset and how to get started. It talks about all the aspects of life from food, nutrition, water, hydration, and then planning for the unexpected. For someone like me, I mean, I'm definitely the most excited about living a van life, maybe in an RV. So considering the type of vehicle you might want to convert is a really interesting part. And then it also talks about places to live, both in the United States, but also internationally. And there are lots of great options, as you can see there. And it gives you just a lot of things to think about regarding, what to think about when you're looking at places that you might want to live and how you might want to live. Obviously, the basic necessities of shelter and water are important, but it also goes into the details about really what you need to consider when it comes to waste management and connectivity with Wi-Fi or cell phone signal or anything like that. Lots of things to consider. I'm about 3/4 of the way through this, and I have found that it's only encouraged me to want to move off the grid even more. And if you're considering it, I highly recommend this book.